Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm Xteven here from XTS Technologies. This afternoon, I would like to present you one of our products. We call it Ultrasonic Electrolysis Mould Cleaner. A lot of customers that are using plastic injection molding, we know that they are facing this difficulty after injection. They have this kind of a scrap. So why you hazard with this kind of scrap? So you can see this is the mold that you always having this problem is the outgassing. Then we in the hairline mold, and then you have this kind of a texturing mold, and then you have high gloss mold that we come out with this kind of residue after you have more than 5,000 or 10,000 shot of plastic injections. So what you will get from out from here, because you need to inject all over again on your product. If you get the outgassing mold, then you need to repeat the inspection process, wastage of your material, and then some additional transportation costs, and also high cleaning and maintenance tool costs also. Given your customer low quality product, more human resources you require, and then the productivity of your production will be interrupted. So who can help you? This is the product, we call it XTS Mould Cleaner. This with the mold cleaner will come with electrolysis plus ultrasonics. So it's a very plug and play design, and then it's very small footprint, and then all in one tank, including the electrolysis. So this is inside the electrolysis machines. So you will get one ultrasonic single tank, then come with the filters. The net basket is mainly for the small screw that to put in, then you can clean up the small screw together. Then the main basket will put in the mold or the cavity, and then we have one anode electrode for you, and also the control panel to control the ultrasonic, also to control the electrolysis power. Very easy for the installations. Just one single phase 13 amp, and then outlet for the chemicals. So where are we? Normally, if you're buying ultrasonic standalone unit, a lot of customers that are doing maintenance, they think that one ultrasonic they can do the cleaning. That is not true. You can see this result later on. They have this electrolysis, then without the pump circulation, the contamination is maintained inside the tank, don't have the proper cleanings, and then small parts will always fall out, not movable. However, for our XTS Mould Cleaner, you can see we have the cleaner process understanding, and then we have this ultrasonic with electrolysis, and with a proper circulations, and also the filter, you can take out the filtration of this contamination inside. You can have a more proper cleaning. And we have a smaller mesh tray, is mainly for your screw or smaller cavity to put in. Then this is a plug and play installation designs. So where we are now, actually we are the developer for this ultrasonic cleaner with the electrolysis. And then we can link up this mold cleaning data with all materials that we already cleaned before. Then we can let you know material we can clean and what we cannot clean. Then we also develop the supplier to do the mold maintenance skill, more upskill on the mold maintenance, compared that they're just using the sandpaper or they're using this screwdriver to take out the dirt from the plastic mold. It's a real-time electrolysis cleaning. And the good thing is we have different kind of model from XUV 20 up to 50. And we also have SCM special customized. So this is the in-situ SUV that we already installed. So how this is processed? Normally we will dismantle the mold, and then we put in this into the ultrasonic washing with the TP125ES. Manual rinse with this normal filter water. Then you have manual drying. Then you will go for the vision inspection. If you feel it's not clean, then you need to put in again to do the cleaning. If it is clean already, then you can go for the IPA wipe to make sure you apply the anti-rust, because this mold is very clean already. After that, you can assemble the mold, and then you can go for the injection machine again. So what is the difference between normal ultrasonic tank and the ultrasonic plus electrolysis? You can see on your left-hand side top there, this is just ultrasonic process. But with electrolysis, you can see the bubble is coming up. This is the effect of the chemistry plus the cathode and anode. However, you can see the result. One rusty mold that you put in, you can see the difference between ultrasonic and the electrolysis after 1 minute. So on the left, the rust is still there, but on the right, the rust is removing. So where the rust go? The rust is going to the anode already. It's very easy to do the cleaning for the anodes. You just need to wipe it off. I can show you a video. So this is the actual testing that we're just using ultrasonic. You can see there wouldn't have any bubble on top of this ultrasonic mold cleaner. So it's just an ultrasonic sound from the unit. So this is, we call it ultrasonic cleaning. So after that, we implement electrolysis, we on the electrolysis. You can see the bubble is occur in top of this unit of the chemicals. So we can do the timer, we can do the setting, we can use the ultrasonic unit setting also. And we have pump together to do the separation. So this is after we run 4 minutes. You can see all the bubbles on top of the timer. So this is the electrolysis effect for the units. So you can go to our website to have a look on more details on these products. So you can see how it works. This is a hairline mold that we already done a cleaning for our customer. Last time they used to use 2 hours to clean the hairline mold. So what we do is we just need to use 12 minutes and the hairline mold is clean. And then another thing will be the high gross mold. Normally high gross mold is very sensitive. It's very easy to get scratches. So on the left, you can see we mark an X on top of this mold. On the right, you can see this is the mold cleaning after we done. So they don't have any scratches on the molds and become more shining after the cleanings. We also go for outgassing mold, texturing mold, or sandblasting mold. For casting mold, we need to take a bit longer time, about 45 minutes to do the cleanings. And even though for hard disk mold, we also do the trial before. But our machine you need to avoid is the aluminium mold. For aluminium mold, you need to use the special chemical to do the trials. Same go to copper and brass mold. This is what we tried after 15 minutes. So sometimes if your mold have this brass or copper cavity that supply electrics, maybe you need to tape it before you go for the testing. So if you have a multiple injection mold, what you need to do is you just need to purchase a unit of our ultrasonic electrolysis mold cleaner, because one cleaner you can move around to do the cleaning. Then after that, you will have the result of the mold cleaning. Then you can have discussion, you can give advice, brainstorming of the root cause, where is the mold if problems, and then you can create a better products. So you can also have the mold validation with the end user or mold cleaning by the suppliers. So this is the product that I want to introduce to you. Hopefully XTS will come out for more new product that can discuss with you all. Okay, so this is our sharing today. Thank you.